There are basically two reasons for the parking sensor error warning in Nissan vehicles: a failed parking sensor in one of the bumpers or a wiring issue behind the bumpers. The majority of Nissan vehicles are equipped with rear parking sensors, so the warning is usually all about one of the four rear sensors. There are two ways to learn which exact sensor is malfunctioning. First of all, you may use a good Nissan compatible scanner and get the code telling you which sensor to look at. If you don't have access to such a scanner, there is a simple way to understand what's wrong. Apply the parking brake, turn the ignition on without starting your car, put the shifter to reverse. At this point, the rear sensors will be activated. Now take something like a screwdriver and gently touch the sensor with it, holding the metal part of the screwdriver with your fingers. If a sensor is working, you will feel a slight vibration. If you don't feel anything, the sensor is dead. But before you buy the new sensor, it's a very good idea to inspect the wiring, because in Nissan cars, wires and connections are more common culprits of the parking sensor problems than the sensors themselves. So taking off the rear bumper, or at least partially releasing its fasteners to get to the wires, is the first thing you should do. But when you already know which exact sensor is malfunctioning, it's still easier to locate the problem.